Hey everyone. Um, so this is Module 10, and what you're going to be learning in this module is going to be for learning about other search engines that you can use for your research when you're looking on the web. So this might be a better assignment for some of you. You might actually like it a little more because you are going to be using Google, and you're going to be using Google Advanced Search, and you're going to be using there are two other kinds of searches, and I gave a link. You just have to choose one of those. You don't have to do both of them. You can do both of them if you want to, but you don't have to. And um, they're considered more advanced searching. They're a different type of website that you can go to search, okay, for the web itself. And what I want you to do for the assignment is answer each question and be specific. If it's asking you how many results you got, well, if it tells you a number, give me that number. Okay, if it tells you a similar number for all the different terms you try to use, give me a few of those numbers or an estimate. If it doesn't tell you how many results, tell me that and say how many you think it gave you or what you saw when you were looking through it. Okay, it's gonna. I know I asked questions about what types of search terms you use, and you can search like you're searching for your topics. Okay, for your research question, and this will help you not only to see what is available on the web, but to see different ways of searching for it and to know what you can do to find resources for your assignments, because you're going to want to have probably some kind of website for your final project. And guys, we're more than halfway through, and if you were able to do the assignments dealing with the books and the articles, the summaries, part 1 and 2, then you will have done, and if you've done the government document where you gave the citation, then you've done almost half of the final project. The final project is an annotated bibliography, and you're giving the citation for a resource, and you're giving a summary of that resource. And then you're going to give me that little statement saying why you feel that resource is useful for your research question to help answer it. So that's what you're doing, and I've tried to break it up so that you're not doing all 10 resources at the same time at the very end of the semester. You've done almost half of them already. If you weren't able to finish those assignments and you've missed the deadline, you can still get help for your final project with those. So if you're still needing help finding good articles or knowing how to summarize or knowing how to cite your sources, I'm still happy to help you with that. That's not a problem. Don't feel bad about that at all. I know things get away from us. So please, you can email me, you can message me the citation if you want me to look at it and let you know if there's a problem. Now, if I have already given you feedback in one of those assignments, you have to try that feedback, okay? Use Purdue OWL. If you don't know how to use Purdue OWL as a website, it's a little confusing because there is a lot of stuff on there. Let me know, and I'd be happy to try to create a video that will explain it better and explain how to utilize the examples that it gives and to understand the rules that it gives, okay? So we are almost there, guys. Don't give up. You can do this. I do believe in you, and I know that this has been a little bit more for some of you than expected. And for some of you, it's exactly what you thought, and for others, it was nothing. But we are almost there, and you can complete it, and I'm here to help you. That's my heart. I want to help you. But I'm still going to stick to some of the deadlines that have been given, okay? If you're struggling or if you just want to make sure that you're doing well in the class and you would like extra credit, I sent out an email discussing 3 options. You can still ask for a APA workshop. I'm still willing to give that, even if it's just one person, and if you need to have us do a little phone conversation and because you can't come to the school, that's fine. We'll work it out. There's APA workshop, MLA workshop. You can do one of them, you can do both of them, but you can't do the same one more than one time, okay? So you can do an APA and an MLA, and you'll get extra credit for both of them. But you can't do APA and APA and APA and keep doing it, okay? Now, the other one that I told you guys about is the escape room, and that is happening in April, April 8th, 9th, and 11th that week. For students, it's 8th and 9th. There will be there is stuff for children to do if you have children and you want to bring them because you don't have anybody to watch them, or you want to keep the family together, or whatever it is. That is available. It's not something we're advertising a lot because the point is for students and staff and faculty, but it is available, and we do have some games and resources for them. So please don't let that keep you from coming if you're wanting to do the escape room, if you want to get that extra credit. It's not something that, it's not meant to be scary, it's not meant to be super hard, it's just meant to be fun. And if you don't have a group to join with, we can put you in with a group because there are slots available for that, okay? There's a place to sign up online. I put the link in an email, and if you go to the library homepage and look at the banner, the fourth one that comes through, you can click on it and it'll take you to the page as well. It's also on our events page. So guys, please email me if you have any questions about it, and any questions about anything. I am trying to continue to grade for the assignments. It takes a long time. I do try to be specific for you. I want you guys to grow in your skills. So I will continue to grade the assignments that are finishing up from last semester, from the first half of this semester, and then I will continue to grade what's coming in for the second half. So yeah, send me any messages you have for needing help. Please come by. I'm always happy to talk over the phone or through messaging or in person. And guys, if I'm not in my office or if I look like I'm not, please ask for me. And if they tell you to come find me upstairs in cereals or somewhere, go and find me. Don't just say, oh, well, that means she's not available, because that's not true. I have to keep doing the work I have to do until a student comes in. And some of that work I have to do upstairs because it's this escape room. And so I have to keep going because I don't know when y'all are going to come in. But come and find me, and I'm more than happy to stop what I'm doing so I can help you, okay? That is my number one that I want to do. So don't just give up if that happens, okay? And please don't feel bad for asking me if you have multiple questions, multiple times. That's fine. That's not a problem, okay? I wish you guys the best of luck.